Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to have a date.
Yeah, something like that.
What are we gonna do? Say hi to my husband.
Hey, what's up? We're gonna head to the Eastview Mall complex. We're gonna do some famous shopping for the wife here. You know, still got the summer sales going on, so we'll see what happens.
So guys, guwapa ko dili. Tubag mga Bisaya, tubag. Basta Bisaya, guwapa dyan na, di ba baby? Right?
Huh? You said something in Bisaya and I don't know what you said.
I said that if a Bisaya girl is beautiful, right?
You are. You are.
Sunday.
Completely different person.
No, it's a Bisaya language. Take a look left on West Main Street.
You could have told me that sooner.
Ooh. Yep.
Gotta go up.
Up. Up. Saka guys, pasaka guys, pasaka hangak ini ba? Hangak yun ni Ron. Hinay lang yun. Hinay. Hinay. Ganing dito yun. Yay! Happy na ba mo ako? Zigzag run. Zigzag. Hey guys, niabot namin sa ilahang mall. Tanawa oh. Hinlogit siya. Lahi ra gyud.
We're going back this way.
Okay. Yay. Nanailang mall.
Turn right.
Yes. Aniabot na lagi mi. We don't need you.
Well, technically I want it. You don't know that.
Guys, niabot na mi. Sinilas pa ko oh. Sinilas.
With our designer bags.
Designer mask. Needed. It's needed.
Yeah, everybody's needed. That's why. Check this first, alright?
Yep.
Menu's going to be online with the QR code there, but you can just scan it with your phone.
Guys, nga on sa me. Order sa me.
Wait, I took a photo of the thing.
Nagmas ko ang isa to.
At least places get
Yeah.
customer. Huh?
Shrimp. Uy, rice. Pork ribs. Naota guys.
Oh yeah, I forgot with this one.
Mm.
You like the honey shrimp?
Mm. Oh. Oh. Mm. Delicious. Lami siya guys, promise.
It's one of the best Chinese restaurants we got around.
Naami sa Chinese restaurant. Ngaon. How's the food?
Good. I already knew what it was going to be before I got here. I've never been disappointed in the food here.
Mm, the pork was delicious. Mm. Hi guys. Umanamig ka. Ang busugan ako. Lamig ay.
The world's worst signature.
So, after this, libot-libot sa mi sa mall. Ha? Atam kung na-sale. Wala. Okay po. Guys, pasulod na mi sa mall.
Now that you picked up all that weight, you can whack it all up. Sorry, I hope you're recording that part.
I did.
I'm just teasing.
How could you?
I forgot to just point that out.
How could you?
Look, it's the store of your people. Sorry, that was another bad joke.
Oh.
I'm sorry, I'm not going to be everyone's favorite person on this.
That's okay. Wait. Gucci. Oh, not. It's not Gucci. I mean. Oh my gosh. Ang kape guys. Naroon pinakamahal na kape.
Too expensive to buy.
Yeah.
That's what they say.
Ano lang yun taan eh. Uy, my ka-first. Labay ako ni mo ay. Okay, part ka. Naka-wear me guys. Naka-mask. Naka-mask.
Is there anything you want to check out or?
Oh, see. Watch.
What?
Oh, pila ang iPhone guys.
Not
Check
for-
in ka.
Not for that one.
Yeah. Na ako sa kong favorito, Forever 21. We'll see. Madre ka. Sale guys, sale. Palit or just one sale.
Huh? Oh, they got the Victoria's Secret
Oh,
opening.
Victoria's
They got
Secret.
it open this time.
Open this time. The last time we came here, it's closed.
Yes, that's not for you, that's for me.
Jeez, oh, 60%.
You know what I mean?
I know, oh yeah, yeah.
But I would totally take you there and buy you anything you want. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm not that.
Not for now, guys. We are poor.
There's nothing to do with that.
I
I was
know.
making a joke as to something else. Your friends don't need to know about that.
I know.
She's surprisingly that way.
I only buy sale.
That has nothing to do with that. They got one, my God. That's awesome.
How could you do that, really? How could you? Oo, kinsa mahiligo na nag-wine. Rabay ra good.
It's New York. It's the wine county.
Yeah, yeah, explain.
Upstate New York is basically a bunch of wineries. It's like a famous wine country right up here in upstate New York. That part of New York, nobody thinks of.
Yeah, because of the city itself, right?
Yeah.
Oh, Verizon, my plan. How could you?
I don't want to go back to that hobby shop last time.
Yeah. So guys, human namin window shopping. What can you say?
Huh?
What can you say?
What can I say?
Yeah, for this today.
It was
For our day.
It was a great date. Spent a lot of money. That's how it always goes. But you know, it's all good. It was fun.
No, it's just sale. I'm having a good day. Tired. And thank you for my husband out there who supported me in everything, but only in sale. Okay. So guys, this is for today. I'll go back next. I'll update more for the next one. Stay tuned. Have a great day. Laban Bisaya. Bye bye for now. Bye.
Bye.
But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go, 'cause